the delay in his trial creates bad precedents and encourages impunity. I have called you up this evening to update you on our demand for the prosecution of the sacked former Adamawa State Resident Electoral Commissioner, Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari. As you will recall, Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari brazenly attempted to subvert our nation's constitutional democratic rule by trying to install an illegal government in Adamawa State in violation of Section 1, Subsection 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. Nigerians will remember how Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari on Sunday, April 16, 2023, recklessly attempted to override the will of the people of Adamawa State in the Saturday, April 15, 2023 election by illegally declaring the candidate of the defeated All Progressive Congress as winner while collation of results was ongoing. And we try to emphasize the import of Section 1, Subsection 2 of the Constitution. And it says, the Federal Republic of Nigeria shall not be governed, nor shall any person or group of persons take control of the government of Nigeria or any part thereof, except in accordance with the provisions of this Constitution. The action of Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari therefore amounted to, quote, a civilian coup which tried to undermine the nation's sovereignty, triggered serious crisis in Adamawa State, and threatened national peace and security. You may also recall that after its removal by the Independent National Electoral Commission and the declaration of Governor Ahmed Fintiri at the end of collation as the lawful and duly elected governor of Adamawa State, Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari has been on the run. However, like he often says, that time does not run against the state in criminal matters. Of such subversive conduct cannot go unpunished, and our party is determined to pursue the matter to its logical conclusion. Nigerians are therefore invited to note that the High Court of Justice of Adamawa State, Court Number 9, Yola, Division has issued a warrant of arrest of Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari dated May 21st, 2024, wherein it ordered the Inspector General of Police to apprehend and produce Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari to appear before it to answer to the charges preferred against him. The said order of court was received at the office of the Inspector General of Police on May 23, 2024. And we have the copy of that order here of the High Court of Justice of Adamawa State, Court Number 9. The delay in the prompt and diligent prosecution of Mallam Hudu Ari for his alleged criminal conduct constitute a clear and present danger to our democracy and the rule of law, that nobody is above the law. The failure of the Nigerian police so far to apprehend and bring Mallam Ari to justice is capable of creating a bad precedent and encourage other public officers to act with impunity, behaving as if there are no consequences for acts contrary to law and their oath of office. The PDP therefore charges the Inspector General of Police to, in compliance with the order of court, immediately fish out, arrest and bring Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari before the court for prosecution. This is especially as there are apprehensions that Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari has perfected plans to escape the country and evade trial. The PDP insists that Mallam Hudu Yunusa Ari must be made to face the full wrath of the law for his assault against democracy. because that will be the only way to send a wrong signal and send the correct signal to people that when you do something that are against the law, you'll be held accountable. Thank you very much for listening. Before it will issue an order of warrant of arrest to the IGP, this is serious